为一个吃货，我一直想和大家分享中国的美食。So today I plan to start by discussing Chinese cooking method. I believe you have been to Chinese restaurant, tasted Chinese dishes, and perhaps have had experience of being puzzled by the various dishes names and intricate cooking ways in Chinese cuisine. So today I will help you understand 10 Chinese cooking methods, so that you can know how the Chinese dishes you enjoyed are prepared. Perhaps you have even found a way to replicate them at home. Let's dive in. 第一种方法是蒸 steaming. It's a gentle and healthy cooking method that preserves the natural flavors of the ingredients. You simply place your food in a steamer, and the rising steam cooks the food. Steamed dishes are often light and nutritious. For example, 包子、蒸饺，这些著名的小吃都是蒸熟的。Another popular steamed dish is 清蒸鱼。Steamed fish with ginger and scallions is a delicacy. 第二种 The second cooking way is boiling, 煮。Boiling is a simple method of cooking food in boiling water or broth. It's perfect for vegetables, noodles, and dumplings. When you want a quick and easy meal, boiling is a way to go. 酸辣汤 hot and sour soup, and 馄饨面 are classic example of boiled dishes.
Nice.
第三种是炒 stir frying. Stir frying is a rapid and exciting way to cook with intense heat. 这也是我最喜欢的做法。You need to constantly toast the ingredients in a hot wok, which ensures that they cook evenly and retain their crispness. 宫保鸡丁 is must-try dishes. 下一个是烤肉 roasting. It involves cooking food in an oven and over an open flame, giving it a deliciously crispy exterior and rich flavor. 北京烤鸭 Peking duck is a famous roasted dish that epitomizes Chinese culinary expertise. 第五种是凉拌 cold dressing. 凉拌黄瓜 is cold dressed cucumber, a popular appetizer or side dish in Chinese cuisine. 凉拌 involves mixing ingredients with various seasoning and sauce at room temperature, creating a fresh and flavored dish. 第六个是炸 deep frying. Deep frying is a popular method in Chinese cuisine. Food is submerged in hot oil, resulting in a crispy and flavorful texture. 春卷 spring rolls, and 芝麻球 sesame balls are classic examples of deep fried delights. 第七种是炖 Stewing is a slow and gentle cooking method where food simmers in water. It's ideal for tougher cuts of meat and allows flavor to melt beautifully. 土豆炖牛肉我超级推荐，非常好吃。你在家也可以很容易做出来。第八种做法是煲汤 making soup. Soups play a vital role in Chinese cuisine, often served as a comforting and nourishing dish. In China, we love to use specialized clay pots for stew soup. Stewing soup in clay pots is considered a traditional cooking method, especially during winter and cold season when people like to use clay pots to keep warm. 我最喜欢排骨玉米汤 pork rib and corn soup. 我经常自己在家煲这个汤，喝完你会很舒服。第九种是腌制 pickling. Pickling is a preserving method that involves fermenting vegetables in brine or seasoning. In ancient times, Chinese people invented a method of preservation due to the lack of food storage. They pickled vegetables by using a large amount of salt or sugar to prevent bacterial growth, enabling easily perishable vegetables to be stored for an extended period. This practice gave rise to China's rich pickled vegetable history and pickled vegetable culture. Pickled cucumbers and sour cabbage are tangy and appetizing pickled dishes. 第10种是煎 pan frying. Putting food in a shallow pan with a small amount of oil, it results in a crispy exterior and a tender interior. Pan-fried dumplings and pan-fried buns, 煎饺和煎包 are popular dishes showcasing this method. 最后一种是熏 Smoking imparts a distinctive smoky flavor to food. 春节的时候，每家都会制作熏肉或者熏鱼 smoking pork or smoking fish. Alright, you can take notes of these words and go to a Chinese restaurant to practice the word you have learned with Chinese chief. 好了，今天就到这里了，我要去做好吃的了。我们下次再见，拜拜。